Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something exciting to unbox, the Dongcheng Cordless Brushless Impact Driver DCPL03-14. If you're looking for a powerful, compact, and efficient tool for your projects, this might just be the perfect addition to your toolkit. So stick around and let's dive right in. Introducing the Dongcheng Cordless Brushless Impact Driver DCPL03-14, a powerful and efficient tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This impact driver features a brushless motor, ensuring higher efficiency, longer lifespan, and reduced maintenance. Its compact structure and lightweight design make it easy to handle even during extended use. Equipped with a smart loosen function, this impact driver automatically adjusts torque to prevent over-tightening and stripping of screws. It offers a 2-speed setting, allowing users to choose between low-speed precision or high-speed power based on the task. An integrated LED light improves visibility in dim work environments, and the forward and reverse rotation feature ensures maximum versatility. In terms of technical specifications, the DCPL03-14 operates on a 20V max lithium battery, available in multiple capacities, 2.0 Ah, 4.0 Ah, and 5.0 Ah. It has a 6.35 mm hex clamping capacity and supports a maximum screw diameter of 14 mm. The Smart Loosen torque setting adjusts between 90 Nm low and 180 Nm high. The no-load speed ranges from 0-1100 R/min low to 0-2000 R/min high, while the impact frequency varies between 0-1700 R/min low and 0-3000 R/min high. Despite its power, it remains lightweight, with weights ranging from 1.1 kg to 1.7 kg, depending on the battery configuration. Each package includes two 4.0 Ah battery packs, a charger, a driver bit, a suspension strap, and a durable plastic carrying case. The Dongcheng DCPL03-14 is the perfect combination of power, precision, and portability. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.